Hey guys, Cam here. As you can see, yes, I have a Yuancon. Sorry, I can't pronounce Yuancon. Anyways, let's get it started, shall we? I would say shipping wise is pretty quick actually. I actually ordered this during my pay, so I was like, after my pay, I was like legit I bought it. Okay, so I'm a bit tired already. Oh my god, why? Okay, so let's get all this wrap out actually. Let's see. Oh Jesus. Okay, that is one huge box. No, I was rather surprised that the box is huge. Like legit. It is a freaking huge box. Like seriously, very huge. Okay, so let's unbox it, shall we? There's one more thing. Didn't see that coming. Let's open that up. Okay, let's open it up. Let me it. Okay, tear it apart. Box open. Let's open up. Okay, let's focus on this and let's open it up. Oops, I hit the tripod. So there's foam on top, so it's pretty cool actually. There's foam. Ooh, I like the foam. Pretty cool actually. Let's put that aside. There's support for each side, which is a good thing because there is, of course, there's support because you're going to ship overseas. And this, of course, this came from China. Jesus, that was, oh my god. Okay, it is freaking. Oh my god. Okay, let's take this tight corners aside. It is freaking heavy. Okay. Oh, that's a controller. Okay, we have accessories already. Cool. Okay, what it comes with is a flathead a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. Why did I say that? So this is a screwdriver. This is just a very standard, very small screwdriver. Pretty cool actually that he provides one. And this is a USB B to A. Now this is actually using a printer port. But if you want to buy a new one, let's say you want a long, I don't know why would you want a longer one, look for this head. This is basically a USB 2.0. So you have to be careful which cable you buy for your controller. That's freaking big actually. Okay, yeah, ooh. Oh my goodness. That is, I'm sorry, I am stunned. Oh my. Oh, that is, just hear that. That is freaking loud. Oh my god. That is, this is heavy. Oh my god, that is. How can I explain this? How do I say this? This is freaking heavy. Oh my god. Like legit. Oh my god. I can see myself like, oh my god, that is, wow. I'm sorry, but that is freaking heavy. And the buttons, oh my god. But look at the quality of the buttons. That is clear. And the artwork. Wow. Okay, sorry, I'm a bit very excited actually. Like legit. Where can you find this kind of quality? Let me just say the price right now. I bought this for 233 bucks. Yes, you're paying for the quality. Like legit quality. This is, what? I can't explain. I mean, I cannot really explain on video how excited I am. But this is really quality. You know, like, okay. I can't just end the video right now and say goodbye. But no, I mean, it is freaking heavy. And there's two side buttons on the side. If I recall, he says that these buttons are actually for changing the, like if you want to change from from a controller mode to a keyboard and mouse mode for the SDVX and the 2DX. For this, I think you also can use keyboard mode for PMS, or basically a simulator. So any simulator will work. But okay, so this is what it comes with. So this is the controller, this is the screwdriver, and this is the cable. Now these buttons are just top Chinese buttons. If you want to buy the Sanwa buttons, they are very expensive. He does provide Sanwa buttons. If you want to buy it directly from him, you could buy that, but he'll charge you extra about $100, something $120. You're paying for the quality. You are just paying for the quality of his controllers. And where can you find a controller that is this cheap and it's made out of metal? Like legit, it's made out of metal. It is freaking cool. And he provides a screwdriver. If you want to replace the micro switches, yes, you could do that. Or you want to change the buttons, also yes, you could do this. With the current configuration, now this is all stock. There is no additional changes at all. This is completely stock, the base model. But just the base model alone, it's just that good. It's just really, like freaking good actually. Like seriously, freaking heavy. Oh my god. Anyways, I have to go. I will do a week of testing and I'll get back with a review of it. Well, I'm going back to play some simulator games with this. Oh my god, that is freaking cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give a like if you like this video. Give a dislike if you just hate my voice. I understand. No worries. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.